Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling green hills, there lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Lily. Lily loved learning new things and exploring the world around her. Every day after school, she would rush home, drop her bag, and set off on another exciting adventure. One sunny afternoon, Lily's teacher, Mrs. Thompson, introduced the class to the concept of friendship. She spoke about how friends are like treasures, and how they bring joy and support into our lives. Lily's eyes sparkled with curiosity as she listened intently to the lesson. That evening, as Lily strolled through the village, she spotted a lonely-looking dog sitting under a tree. His tail wagged timidly as he gazed at her with pleading eyes. Lily's heart filled with compassion, and she decided to befriend the dog. She named him Max. From that day forward, Lily and Max were inseparable. They explored the countryside together, splashing in streams and chasing butterflies. They would often sit under their favorite tree, where Max would rest his head on Lily's lap as she read stories aloud. One day, while exploring a dense forest, Lily and Max stumbled upon an old, abandoned cottage. Moss-covered stones lined its weathered walls, and a sense of mystery lingered in the air. Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement as she decided they should investigate. As they cautiously entered the cottage, they discovered a hidden room filled with dusty old books. Lily's eyes widened with wonder at the treasure trove of knowledge before her. She carefully selected a book with large, colorful pictures and began flipping through the pages. To her astonishment, the pictures came to life, and the characters started talking. Lily and Max found themselves in the midst of an enchanting adventure with the book's characters. They sailed across vast oceans, befriended magical creatures, and solved puzzles together. Throughout their adventures, Lily learned valuable lessons about courage, kindness, and the power of imagination. She discovered that friendship knows no bounds, and that the world is full of wonders waiting